Hey guys, Luckside here as always. Got an interesting topic of conversation for you guys today. So this guy who's an analyst or economist, thinks that Bitcoin is the next big thing but will crash like the .com bubble. Now before we get into this, make sure you go ahead, smash that like, subscribe button, and that way you'll know when my content goes live. So this Harry Dent, his name is. He is expecting that the 2022 crash of crypto is expected, and they're terming it part of the growth trajectory for crypto in general. It always bothers me when they say just Bitcoin instead of just crypto, encompassing. There are many things growing other than just Bitcoin, guys. So he says this is very similar to the .com bubble that they saw with stocks like Amazon, the crash, before rallying to record highs. He said this during a Rich Dad radio show appearance on the 24th, so just yesterday. So these guys think that crypto is bound to crash. They think that it's due to really get us down to those max pain levels. What's going to get us there? Honestly, like we've already had news come out, okay, about inflation being at all-time levels, okay? We've had the interest rates getting raised to just obscene levels, We had news come out about them wanting to raise interest rates again. We have had news come out basically that we're in a recession. We've had a war come out during this time. So honestly, my big question is, what is it going to take for crypto to really crash? Okay, I mean we're in a crash right now. We've seen what the market looks like. I mean, I'd call this a crash. But these guys think that it's going to go further. I mean, it's a big retracement, right? We've pulled way back. The chart doesn't look great over the last year, and obviously we've been in it for quite some time now, guys. We know this. It's been about 10 months, I believe. Pretty close to 10 months now. And I really want to know, they go on to say that there doesn't need to necessarily be a catalyst like there was back in 2000 when the tech bubble burst, right? Or the internet bubble burst. He said, I lost it now. But yeah, he was saying right here, he pointed out that the crash doesn't need a trigger, just like the tech bubble burst in 2000 and occurred in an environment without recession and economic slowdown. Well, here's the thing. I don't want to say crypto is immune to this, but it's definitely prepared for it. I mean, we're all kind of prepared for it. We all kind of know what's going on. And crypto is very different than the tech bubble in 2000. Crypto, right now is being used as a store of value, a hedge against inflation. And so when the economy starts to get bad, you actually see more people putting money into crypto. So it's kind of the opposite. That's why, when they throw these levels out here, oh yeah, Bitcoin could get down to 7K and blah blah blah. With all the stuff we've had, don't you think that we would be there already? Don't you think we would be there? Now, I'm not saying that we can't go lower, because anything could happen. Crypto moves really fast, right, guys? But man, just the push that it would take to get to that level and really get down there, okay? Because I know there's people that are locked and loaded, ready to buy. They're waiting for even just 17K to come back. I know some people have called, like Richard Hart, for example, has called for the 11K Bitcoin. But even that, that's what, 40%? 43% above $7,000. So I don't know, guys. I thought this was an interesting topic of conversation. These guys, Peter Schiff, other people like that, they're, oh yeah, crypto's going to crash. Bitcoin's going to crash. Well, we have multiple times. Guess what happens? Keeps going. But I want to hear your guys' thoughts, hear where you guys think we're going, see if you think that we are through the worst of it, if there's still hard times to come. Leave the comments down below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Appreciate you taking the time out of your day to listen to me just ramble on about these cuckoo birds. And yeah, hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day.